In class 11, second chapter, relations and functions. In this chapter, I am going to cover two topics: Cartesian product of two sets and relations. Before Cartesian product of two sets, first we should know what is ordered pair. Ordered pair means if two numbers written in this bracket in specific order, then it is known as ordered pair. In ordered pair, xy, x is known as first element and y is known as second element or second component. If ordered pair we are writing as 2, 3, then first component is 2 and second component is 3. By interchanging the position of components, the ordered pair is changed. That is, xy is not same as yx, both are different ordered pair. In coordinate geometry, the position of point in a plane represents an ordered pair. For example, if coordinate of a point is 3, 4, it represents a point. But if we interchange the position, is 4, 3, 4, 3 represent different point. Or coordinates of a point 2, 3 and second point is 3, 2. 2, 3 and 3, 2 both are not equal because both represent different points on coordinate plane. Same rule apply here in case of ordered pair. If 2, 3 and 3, 2, two ordered pairs written, both are not equal. Now next, equality of two ordered pairs means we have to discuss the condition when two ordered pairs are equal. Two ordered pairs, if AB and XY we are taking, then they are equal if A equal to X and B equal to Y. Means in both ordered pair, first components are equal and second component B equal to Y. Then we can say both the ordered pairs are equal. Means ordered pair AB equal to XY. If and only if, this symbol is used for if and only if A equal to X and B equal to Y. One example is here. There are two ordered pairs x minus 2, 4 and 3, y plus 7. Both ordered pairs are equal. You have to find the value of x and y. I hope you can solve easily this question. Since two ordered pairs are equal, then first component of first ordered pair equal to first component of second ordered pair. Second component of first ordered pair equal to second component of second. Here first component is x minus 2. It implies x minus 2 equal to 3 and 4 equal to y plus 7. I hope easily you can solve it. If x minus 2 equal to 3, it implies x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 3. In this pattern, if any question is given based on equality of two ordered pairs, easily we can solve it and find the value of x and y or whatever required or whatever asked. Now next, Cartesian product of two sets. If A and B two non-empty sets given, then the Cartesian product of A and B is the set containing all ordered pair xy such that x belongs A and y belongs in B. Cartesian product of two sets denoted by A cross B. Means we can define it as A cross B equal to x comma y represent a ordered pair, all ordered pairs such that x belongs A and y belongs B. For example, A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, there are 3 elements, and B equal to 3 comma 4. Then A cross B we can write as xy such that x belongs A and y belongs B. Means we are going to all ordered pairs such that first element belongs in first set, means set A, and y belongs in set B. For example, you are taking 1, if value of x is 1, then possible value of y 3 and 4, means 1 3 and 1 4. Similarly, x equal to 2 from set A, then 2 3 and 2 4. Similarly, 3 3 and 3 4. In this pattern we can write Cartesian product of two sets are A cross B. Now number of elements in A cross B. Easily you can count here number of elements in A cross B: 1 2 3 4 5 6. And as formula we can apply number of elements in A cross B equal to NA into NB. Value of NA means number of elements in set A 3, number of elements in set B is 2, product 6, means number of elements in A cross B equal to 6. If A equal to 5 means A is null set, or B null set, or both are null set, then A cross B equal to 5, because Cartesian product of two sets not possible, or there will be no element in Cartesian product of two sets. And also you can remember number of elements in A cross B equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. Also remember A cross B not equal to B cross A, because A cross B represent a ordered pair xy, x belongs A and y belongs B. But B cross A means collection of all ordered pair in which first components belong in B and second component belongs in set A. Therefore we can say A cross B not equal to B cross A. And if B equal to A, if both sets are same, then A cross B we can write as A cross A, or also we can write as A square, and define as collection of all ordered pair xy such that both the elements belongs in set A. Ordered triplet, it is same as ordered pair. In case of ordered triplet, there are 3 numbers written in specific order in this bracket x comma y comma z. Remember 4 5 6 we are taking as example, it is not same as 5 6 4, or it is not same as 6 4 5. If 3 sets A, B, C given, then Cartesian product of 3 sets is defined as ordered triplet x comma y comma z such that first element x belongs in set A, second element belongs in second set B, and third component belongs in third set C. For non-empty set A cross A means if all 3 sets are same, then we can write ordered triplet x comma y comma z such that all 3 elements belongs in set A. For example, A equal to 3 comma 4, there are 2 elements in set A. Then A cross A, Cartesian product of two sets, easily you can write all ordered pair xy such that xy both belongs in set A, means 3 3, 3 4, 4 3 and 4 4. One more thing, remember in case of Cartesian product, each ordered pair represent one element of Cartesian product of A cross A. You can't say 3 is the element of A cross A. element of a class is ordered pair means 3, 3. 3, 4 is the second element, this ordered pair of a class A. 4, 3, the third element of A class A, and 4, 4 is the fourth element of A class A. Now A class A class A. A class A already we have calculated here. Same pattern apply. X, Y, Z. And in this pattern, for different value of x, if x equal to 3, apply these ordered pair. So 3, 3, 3. First component is 3, then 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, and 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. In this pattern, you will get A cross A equal to 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. In this pattern, all elements you can write. Now, next topic, relations. A relation R from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. Remember, relation means subset of A cross B. If any two sets given A and B and asked to write the relation, easily you can write any subset of A cross B, that is the relation from A to B. Set A equal to given as 1, 2, B as 3, 4. Then A cross B, I hope easily we can write. All ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. So there are 4 elements in A cross B. Just one example I have written here. Relation R equal to 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. There are 3 elements in this R. Since R is subset of A cross B, means it is a relation. Any relation which is subset of A cross B is a relation, and number of relations also you can calculate. Number of relations means same as number of subsets. Domain of relation. Collection of first component of relation is known as domain of relation. Here R is a subset of A cross B, and collection of first component 1, 2, 2. Since 2 is repeated 2 times, in case of set you will not write as repetition. So you will get relation as 1, 2. Or one example is given here in domain. If R equal to 1, 3, one ordered pair and second ordered pair 2, 3, it is also a relation. And here domain equal to collection of first component 1 and 2. So domain of R is a set which containing the first component of all ordered pair of a relation. That is domain. Now next, range. Collection of second component of relation. If relation R is given as 1, 3, 2, 3, then collection of second component 3, 3, since 3 written 2 times, but as a custom we will write 3 as once in case of set. The range of R equal to 3. And next, codomain. Codomain means set B. If R is a relation from set A to set B, then set B is known as codomain of R. Means R is a relation from A to B, means codomain of R equal to set B. And one more thing, remember, the range of relation is always subset of codomain. And also a relation may be represented either in the form of roster or in set builder form. Relation we can write in roster form or in set builder form. Now, number of relations. R is a relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B. Then R is subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. Already we have covered this topic. Definition of relation. Now NA represent number of elements in set A. NB means number of elements in set B. NA cross B means number of elements in set A cross B. Then number of relations from non-empty set A to non-empty set B means number of subsets of A cross B. Number of subsets of a set already you have covered in previous chapter in set theory. If any set is given, number of subsets we can find using formula 2 power n, where n represents number of elements in given set. Since A cross B represents a set, therefore number of subsets, which is same as number of relations, equal to 2 power n into A cross B, means 2 power number of elements in A cross B, and which is also equal to 2 power number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. For example, if set A given as 3, only one element is there. In set B there are 2 elements, 4 and 5. Then A cross B you can write as ordered pair, which contains first component from set A and second component from set B, means 3, 4 and 3, 5. There are 2 ordered pairs. Here number of elements in set A 1, number of elements in set B 2, and number of elements in A cross B equal to 2. Then number of relations from A to B, apply formula number of subsets of A cross B, and number of subsets of A cross B means 2 power n. A cross B means 2 power number of elements in A cross B. Since number of elements in A cross B is given as 2, then here 2 power 2, and value of 2 power 2 is equal to 4. And also we can write our relations here. Number of relations 4. Now easily you can write all 4 relations. All 4 relations means all 4 subsets of A cross B. The smallest subset of any set is null set. R1 equal to null set. Or R2, the set containing one element, means one ordered pair. R3 again containing one element, means 3, 5. And R4 containing both the elements as A cross B. In this pattern, number of relations equal to 2 power number of elements in A cross B equal to 4. And also we can write all 4 subsets of A cross B, or you can say all the relations from A to B if set A and B are given. For example, if set A is given as 6, 7, 8 and 10, 4 elements are there. Set B containing 3 elements, 2, 4, 5. R is defined as collection of all ordered pair xy such that x is divisible by y. X belongs A and y belongs B. You have to write R means relation is roster form, and also find domain and range. Just use definition. X is divisible by y. Step by step you check. 6. First element in ordered pair, first element taken as 6. 6 is divisible by 2, means one ordered pair is 6, 2. 6 divisible by 4 or not? 6 is not divisible by 4. We cannot write. 6 not divisible by 4. It not belongs. Now with 7, same pattern take. 7 divisible by 2? No. 7 is not divisible by 4. 7 is not divisible by 5. Now 8. 8 is divisible by 2. Means next ordered pair is 8, 2. 8 is divisible by 4. Next ordered pair 8, 4. 8 is not divisible by 5. You will not write this. Now next 10. 10 is divisible by 2. Next ordered pair 10 2. 10 is divisible by 4 or not? It is not divisible by 4. Don't write it. 10 is divisible by 5. Means next ordered pair 10 5. In this pattern, R equal to 6 2, 8 2, 8 4, 10 2, 10 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. Now next question. Find its domain and range. Domain means collection of first component of all ordered pairs. Means 6, 8, 8, 10, 10. Write in the form of set. The domain of R equal to 6, 8, 10. And range, collection of second component of all ordered pairs. Second component 2, 4 and 5. In this pattern, you can write set in Wooster form, domain of relation and range of relation. Now, some questions for practice. Set A is given, containing first 10 natural numbers. You have to define a relation R from A to A. Means collection of all ordered pair xy such that 2x minus y equal to 0. xy belongs in. To define a relation means you have to write this relation in roster form. And also you have to write domain, codomain and range of this relation. Second question. Find the domain range of relation R defined by x comma 2x plus 1 such that x belongs in the given set containing first 9 natural numbers. First you write all ordered pair and after that domain and range. Third question. If A equal to minus 3 comma 3 given, you have to find A cross A cross A. It is easy for you. First you write A cross A and after that A cross A cross A. And fourth question. Set A given 3 4 5, B 5 6 and C equal to 6 7 8. Then you have to find A cross B intersection C. For solving it, first you find out B intersection C and consider this as a new set D. Then write down A cross D, Cartesian product of two sets. Similarly, first you find out A cross B, A cross C and after that take intersection. Find out common ordered pairs in both. Similarly, A cross B union C, find out B union C. Then A cross B union C means Cartesian product of A and B union C. Here again, you have to find A cross B and A cross C. Then you have to write union of both A cross B and A cross C.